Unlocking the mysteries of the universe with the Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope. Our universe is a vast, complex, and mysterious space teeming with enigmatic phenomena. The Fermi Gamma Ray Space Telescope becomes our powerful lens into these cosmic wonders. Launched by NASA in 2008, the Fermi Telescope was designed to study gamma-ray emissions, the highest energy form of light in the universe. The telescope, orbiting the Earth, provides scientists with data about cosmic events like supernovas, pulsars, and black holes, sparking breakthroughs in astrophysics. Capturing gamma rays gives us a unique perspective, revealing new information about the universe's structure and the processes powering its most massive objects. Not only examining distant galaxies, but Fermi's eyes also scan our own Milky Way, exploring its composition and unraveling the mysteries closer to home. As we continue to gaze at the cosmos through Fermi's powerful lens, we inch closer to understanding the enigma that is our universe.